Okay, right there we have a giant lowering. Intense lightning. This is getting really intense. Yeah, it's right there, right in front of us. I'm seeing another lowering to my right. Okay, but it's not where it should be. Lightning is intensifying as we speak. Okay, yeah, that's really sketchy, but if it weren't for the light pollution, I wouldn't be getting so much on. Right there. It's super hard to see in these dark environments. Always keep your head on a swivel. I hear something off in the distance. I'm gonna check radar.